I got a question. How do I get people involved in chat? Because I promise I can be chatty, but if there is no chat, it makes it hard to talk. That's a very good question. Completely normal, right? It is very difficult to talk when there's nobody else talking back to you. This is why streaming is very difficult, because you're talking to yourself, right? You don't wait for somebody to give you that rebuttal. There's no pausing, none of that. So that makes it a little bit difficult. Couple of things that I would recommend if you're streaming to a dead chat, or you're just trying to like fill the space because people aren't talking at that moment. My recommendations are, one, right? What are some things that you can passionately talk about for a long period of time? I can talk about boba for like an hour if you really let me. Something like that, you know. I can talk about biology. I can talk about women in the gaming industry for a long time. Like any of these topics, write these topics down on a sticky note them onto your monitor, and then talk about your day too. So when in doubt, look at your monitor for these topics and just kind of like talk about it. Narrate your gameplay, right? If you're playing a game that can be narrated, narrate your gameplay. So if you're playing Minecraft, if you're playing like Bed Wars, you can narrate that. If you're building, you can narrate the thought process as to like why you are doing a certain thing in your build process. You're playing Valorant, you can narrate as to like, I think I heard somebody coming from CT, I'm gonna go peek this. Where are they? Playing League of Legends, very easy to narrate. There is like, you can see where everyone in your team is doing, so you can narrate on that. So narrate about your gameplay as well. Just kind of like fill the space with audible talking. A big thing that people do that is not the best in my opinion is people and it's normal. Like don't feel bad about this. This is very normal because a lot of times people get nervous if they're talking to themselves and they mumble. So you kind of be like, oh, okay, and then like I really like boba. My favorite boba flavor is like jasmine green milk tea, and yeah. Oh shoot, I can't believe I died here. Like, you can't really tell what I'm saying with this mumbling. Whatever you say, make sure it is enunciated and clear so people can actually hear what you're saying. Otherwise, it's a little bit difficult to kind of like understand what the streamer is saying. So the mumbling thing is something I noticed with some streamers.